Hey there! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of these incredible tiny powerhouses that have built some of the most sophisticated societies on Earth. Let's get started. Their powerful mandibles and specialized gripping techniques, combined with their low center of gravity, make them nature's most efficient movers. Some species can even form living chains, passing objects from ant to ant like a biological conveyor belt system. 2. Ant colonies operate as superorganisms with complex social hierarchies and job specialization. A single colony can contain millions of individuals, each with specific roles including workers, soldiers, nurses, farmers, and scouts. Worker ants know exactly what their job is and can switch roles based on the colony's needs. Soldier ants have enlarged heads and powerful jaws for defense, while nurse ants tend to larvae and maintain perfect nursery conditions. The entire colony functions like a single organism with distributed intelligence, making collective decisions through simple interactions between individuals that create complex emergent behaviors. 3. Many ant species practice agriculture and animal husbandry just like humans do. Leafcutter ants don't actually eat the leaves they harvest. Instead, they use them to cultivate underground mushroom gardens that feed their entire colony. They carefully prepare the leaf material, plant fungal spores, tend their crops, and harvest the mushrooms with sophisticated farming techniques. Some species even domesticate aphids, protecting them from predators and milking them for their sweet honeydew secretions. These ant farmers move their aphid herds to fresh plants, defend them from threats, and even build shelters for them during bad weather. 4. Ants navigate using advanced chemical trail systems that rival modern GPS technology. When scout ants find food sources, they lay down invisible pheromone trails that other ants can follow like chemical highways. These trails can communicate not just direction, but also information about the quality and quantity of food available. Stronger trails indicate better resources, while weaker trails fade away if the food source is depleted. Ants can create complex trail networks with multiple routes, shortcuts, and even traffic management systems that prevent overcrowding on popular pathways. 5. Ants demonstrate remarkable engineering abilities by constructing living bridges and rafts with their own bodies. When army ants encounter rivers or gaps in their path, workers link together using their legs and jaws to form flexible, living bridges that allow the entire colony to cross safely. During floods, fire ants create floating rafts by linking together, with air trapped in their water-repelling bodies providing buoyancy. These biological structures can support the weight of the entire colony and remain stable for days, demonstrating engineering principles that scientists study for robotics and construction applications. 6. Ant colonies can wage sophisticated wars with battle strategies that would impress military tacticians. Different ant species engage in organized combat with coordinated attacks, flanking maneuvers, and even chemical warfare using specialized defensive secretions. Some species conduct raids on neighboring colonies to steal larvae and raise them as slave workers. Army ants march in massive formations with scout units, main forces, and rear guards, overwhelming their opponents through sheer numbers and organization. These conflicts can involve hundreds of thousands of individuals and last for hours or even days. 7. Ants have an incredibly diverse range of species with specialized adaptations for every environment on Earth. From tiny thief ants that are smaller than your fingernail to massive bullet ants with stings so painful they're used in tribal initiation ceremonies. Some species are completely blind and live entirely underground, while others have developed wings for specific times of year. Honeypot ants have specialized workers whose abdomens can swell to store liquid food for the colony. There are even ant species that practice slavery, conduct agriculture, build skyscrapers, and some that have evolved to mimic other insects perfectly. And there you have it. 7 amazing ant facts. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool info.